Hey, it's Mike from RingVideoDoorbell.pro. In this Ring Video Doorbell 2 review, I'm going to be giving you an insight into this unique safeguard technology that works with Alexa and allows you to hear and speak to visitors with two-way talk, sends announcements to Echo devices when your doorbell is pressed or motion is detected, and lets you hear, see, and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet, and PC. Now please make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to be getting into the pros and cons of this Ring Video Doorbell 2. And at the end of the video, if you want to get yourself the Ring Video Doorbell 2, I'll show you where to get it and at the best price. So what the heck is the Ring Video Doorbell 2 all about? Well, some of you may be thinking, this won't happen to me, right? But if you take into account the startling statistics of yearly break-ins and attempted burglaries, the Doorbell 2 is a great idea. Basically, it's a security device that allows you to watch over your home and answer the door from your phone, tablet, and PC. Ring sends you alerts when anyone comes to your door so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. But for all of these awesome security features, it's much more than just a camera. When you purchase the Ring Protect Plus, you get to record, save, and share all of your videos captured. Ring Protect Plus members also get 24/7 professional monitoring with Ring Alarm if you so choose. Okay, let's take a look at the pros of the Ring Video Doorbell 2. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 has a removable battery pack. You can charge your doorbell without moving the device using the quick release battery pack, which requires a special key that only you, the owner, have access to. It has two interchangeable faceplates, so you can match the security of your home. The Video Ring Doorbell 2 is also weather or extremely waterproof. Custom motion sensors that have the capability to detect up to 30 yards monitor your home in 1080 HD video with infrared night vision. Never miss another visitor. Watch over your home and answer the door from your phone, tablet, and PC. Ring Video Doorbell 2 sends you alerts when anyone comes to your door so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. Okay, let's take a look at the cons of this device. There's only one potential negative some people may perceive about purchasing this security device, and that's because you may be concerned about, well, what if someone tries to steal my camera? Well, rest assured that if this were to happen, this particular person would be recorded in the act and you would be notified during the event. And the company will send you a brand new Ring Doorbell 2 if this were to happen, free of charge. Now, if you want to get the Ring Video Doorbell 2 and you're currently watching this video on YouTube, then simply click the link in the description below and it will take you to the best place to purchase. If you can't see the link in the description, you may need to click Show More. Alternatively, you can enter the following link into your browser, www.ringvideodoorbell.pro. Okay, thanks for watching.